A restaurant owner watched his best customer demand that a family be thrown out because of their race. Times were tough. He needed every dollar, but when he looked at the fear in that little girl's eyes, money didn't matter anymore. He walked over and told his regular customer to leave immediately. Then he publicly apologized to the family and paid for their entire meal. The backlash was swift. Angry reviews flooded in. Some customers boycotted his restaurant. For 2 weeks, he wondered if he'd made a terrible mistake. Then something unexpected happened. The story went viral for all the right reasons. New customers drove from across the city just to support him. Local news featured his stand for inclusion. Community groups chose his restaurant for their events. Within 6 months, his business had doubled. Today, he owns 3 locations and speaks regularly about tolerance in schools. He says the moment he chose people over profit was the moment everything changed. Not because standing up was easy, but because it was right. One choice, everything different.